What's up guys, your Bigly here. When it comes to training and staying fit, the number one excuse an individual gives you is lack of time. The M6 from Bowflex comes with the promise of giving you an extremely intense and fulfilling workout in just 14 minutes, which means all you have to do is spend 14 minutes a day on your fitness regime and get super fit. And there are people who train for marathons on this machine. It comes in a space where you can fit in a chair. That is, it is 163 centimeters tall and 65 centimeters long, and it's a monster which comes in this size. Let me explain you why I call it a monster. Usually, when people look at it, they mistake it to be a regular elliptical trainer. Yes, it looks like one, but when you step on it, you will realize why it is different. When you step on an elliptical, you will see a motion that is swinging, and when you step on a treadmill, there is a motor that pushes you to walk on the mat. But when you're on a Bowflex M6, you have to become the motor to run the machine. It looks all fancy, but the work that it does is make you work. Okay, let me just get started. If you look at the movement, it is not like an elliptical. You see, I'm going up and down as if I'm climbing a stairs, but with a good ergonomic placement of my feet where my ankle moves comfortably. To explain this movement very clearly, let's say if you're climbing stairs, you put a lot of pressure on your hip flexors, okay? Your hip flexors tend to get very tight. Let's say, like people who have gone on pilgrimages or something like that, they have to climb steep stairs or mountains. They'll immediately get a pain on their hip and glute muscle because their hip flexors get tight. But when you're on this machine, it simulates that inclined stair climbing movement, but without straining your hip flexors. That's one very big advantage when you're trying to push very, very hard. And if you see, I'm not even 1 minute into working on this, but I'm gasping for air. The inclination movement, and I'm not even into my 14-minute workout. I'm just doing the basic stuff. I'm holding without moving my arm, just practicing the pedal movement, and I'm already gasping for air and my heartbeat is up the roof. So if you are a beginner, you may not be able to get on the 14-minute high-intensity interval training straight. A simple interval training would be 30 seconds of intense and then 60 seconds of recovery. That's how it works. You have a speedometer kind of setup which shows you your recovery and your speed, that is the amount of calories you burn per minute, which gives you that sporting mentality of pushing a little harder during the intense phase. And if you're a beginner, don't take it too hard on yourself. 3 to 5 minutes is gonna wind you out. Try it every day, and in a matter of 2 to 3 weeks, you'll be able to do a full 14 minutes. Then you can get started with the high intensity interval training programs that these provide, or if you need any specific program, I'll help you out with designing a program as well. All you need to do is drop us a DM. And when it comes to training hard on this, once you get used to it, this is a tool which even marathon runners use. So let me just demonstrate some of the ways this could be used. The initial thing, the basic warm-up, you don't move your arm, it's only your legs and your glutes. A lot of women like to put a lot of emphasis on their glutes and thighs. Then this would be the perfect posture. Now, let's say we have to push harder. It's not just one part of the body. Like I said, it's a 14-minute full body workout. So they have different hand positioning for you to hold. Let's say now, along with my legs, I'm using the push and pull movement from my upper body, which means my back muscles, my shoulder, my arms, everything gets utilized. And because there is a synchronization movement between my legs and arms, I'm engaging a lot of core. So that's how it becomes a whole body workout. So now I'm thoroughly warmed up. It's time to hit it hard. One beauty of this equipment is this. The wind resistance there gives you more resistance when you try to push it harder. So if you give double effort, it's gonna give you double resistance. That makes it extremely hard. Now let me reset and get on with my sprinting. So right now, it's recommending me a normal pace, and next it's gonna give me a calorie target, and I'm gonna follow it and follow it to the T. Yeah. It's giving me a recovery target. Next time on intense, let's see how much calories per minute I burn. I'm just experimenting with all the handles. It's fun. I could already feel the burn in my quads, my glutes. I can feel my core getting engaged really well. I feel a little bit of pump in my upper body. I've got another 25 seconds of recovery, then it's sprint mode. Because it's recovery, I'm just resting my arm and going slow. If you just follow the guidelines of this machine, you could even burn up to 300 calories in the 14-minute stipulated time. Okay, it's giving me a bell. Yeah. Whew. I could feel the pump all over my body, the lactic acid burn, the resistance, and my heart rate is up to the roof. That was fun. That's just for the demo. So if you're trying to burn maximum calorie, push some blood all over your body and get that intense pump burn and increase your resting metabolic rate, this monster M6 from Bowflex is an ultimate equipment to have. And this piece of equipment is so small that you can even have it in your living room just like your furniture. It's your Big Lee, over and out.